Alright, day 4 of backtesting every day until I'm profitable. Um, let's just get right into it. Yesterday was pretty break even. Took a lot of losses. Ended up still right around where I started yesterday. So some things to work on is stop loss position. I just need to put my stop loss into a position where it's protected. Because I had a lot of trades that would have played out, would have been winners. My stop loss just was in a spot where it wasn't protected, and the trade stayed valid. Um, I think I just got greedy with the stop loss position. So today I want to work on um, a good positioning on my stop loss, a spot on my stop loss to where it really shows invalidation of the trade. Not something to get more risk to reward or anything like that, but just a real stop loss that shows that my trade idea has been invalidated. So that's what we're going to focus on. We're going to most likely just stick to one-to-ones. Yesterday I caught myself going for a lot of one-to-twos, stuff like that, that just doesn't give me as high of a win rate. So and I'm not looking for that. I'm looking to catch my one-to-ones, get my piece of the pie, and get out. So just some stuff to work on today. And yeah, let's just get right into it. All right. No news today. Let's get rid of all these drawings. So what are we in right now? We're still inside of this 4-hour fair value gap. We're still ranging up. Looks like we're already in discount of this move up. Um, I see an unfilled 4-hour below. What else do I see? Another unfilled 4-hour. Same thing on ES. We still are trading inside of this 4-hour. So just be cautious of that. But we do have multiple 4-hour fair value gaps that it looks like price wants to come tap into to use his leverage to move up higher. So scale down. Haven't inverse this 1 hour yet. Um, 1 hour down here inside of this 4-hour. Another 1 hour right here. Price disrespected this 15-minute, so we're looking like we want to push lower. Same thing over here, disrespecting these 15 minutes. So ideally what I'd like to see is either we just flush immediately down into these 4 hours, or into this 1 hour as well. Or we get a push higher, we retrace into a 5-minute and or 15-minute, and then we use that as leverage to catch continuation shorts to the downside. That's kind of what I'm looking for today. Nothing. So immediately we're down already inside of this unfilled hourly. We probably want to continue. We might get a little reaction off of this unfilled hourly. Also a 15-minute. Ideally, I'd just like to see a push higher. Get a retracement. Alright, we got a retracement into this 5 minute. Drop down. Highest time frame inversion's the 1 minute. Like to see all of this get filled. Same thing with the ES. Taps into that 4 hour. And yeah, I still think we have room to go. Still respecting the 5 minute. Took out this high. Now we have a protected high. And I just want to see us displace lower. We left equal highs above. We're just ranging inside this 1 minute. Probably going to want to come back up for these. We do. We take out those equal highs. Still respecting the 5 minute. Still respecting the 1 minute. Come up. We could get a push up into this 15 minute now. Looks like that's kind of what price wants to do. We got a retracement into this 15 minute on both indexes. Come back down, probably going to respect that 5 minute. I would take this inversion. Pushing up higher, still coming up into these 15 minutes. Just rebalancing ourselves. Tapping into the 50% of this range. What do we open up? Open up a 5 minute. Wow, we are pushing higher. Get an order block. $15 up here. Price comes, taps into that 15 minute. Yeah, we reacted heavily off of this 1 hour push. It's already 10 a.m. Yeah, so just an incorrect bias for the day. Could still see price deliver shorter. Deliver lower, I should say. Yeah, I mean, just nothing really too obvious. We were delivering from this hourly, but I just wasn't very convicted in longs whatsoever. Yeah, no trade day. This is the 4 hour. Still leaving these unfilled 4 hours below. Respecting off of this 4 hour. So we could be bullish today. I just gotta see how price kind of wants to play it. So respecting this, disrespected that 4-hour. As far as ES goes, still respecting this 4-hour. We did get a push lower into this one. Still left this unfilled 4-hour below. I don't think there's much reason for price to come back down that low into it, unless we want a big retracement of this move, which we do. Seem kind of overextended. You know, not too much, especially with that wick. Yes, though, not too much. I mean, we could see a move higher today. Relative equal highs. Not really reacting off of much, except this 4-hour. So I kind of have a neutral bias both ways. I could see us pushing higher to come take out this liquidity up here. I also could see us coming down to this unfilled 4-hour. So you have a big 15-minute right here that we're kind of reacting off of, as well as the 4-hour. In versus 15 minutes to downside. Still respecting this 15-minute. Same thing on ES. Still respecting this 15-minute as well. Lots of stop losses up here. It's a good draw. Ooh, and we left equal highs on ES. So we may want to come up for that. That could be a good target as well. So let's just see what price wants to do off open. 5 minutes. Respecting off this 5-minute. Clearly looking bullish. Just opened up a 5-minute. Could take continuation longs. If we get a respection. Oh, sorry, 1 minute. No, 5-minute. Immediately shot up. Took out these highs. Still respecting this 15 minutes. Coming lower. Haven't opened anything up yet. Disrespected, still respecting. Left equal highs. One-minute inversion. Just small. We're still not doing too much. Probably come for these equal highs. We do. Take out the equal highs. Still respecting this 15-minute. Disrespecting this one. Still respecting this. Could see us want to come for this high inside of this 15-minute. Haven't opened anything up yet. See a retracement. ES taps into this 5 minutes. Multiple equal highs. Wow. Good 4-minute inversion. Tapping into this 5-minute. This is a good trade on ES. Stop loss down here. Targeting equal highs. Might see a little retracement. Like to see us come trade down. We do. Get a retracement. Nasdaq probably wants to come tap into this 5-minute as well. We don't respect that. We get a 1-minute inversion. Yeah, I mean now it just is too perfect not to take. I like my stop loss at this low down here. Just going for a 1-to-1. Left equal highs. Let me see if there was a better place to go break even. Actually, we'll say. Interesting. I mean, I really thought that we would have wanted to displace higher. We get the tap back down. We get the inversion. We left the equal highs. Huh. Not the end of the world. We'll see if we come respect this 5-minute. We do not. We do not. I could have gone break even whenever we NQs got these highs. We took out these highs at 905. I entered right here. Yeah, I mean, I could have gone break even pretty early. That would have made the most sense. Still delivering off this 4-hour inverse this. Yeah, this high inside of this fair value gap. And we have an unfilled 4-hour as well. Do have an SMT. at market open. Feel like we'd want to push higher here, but we do seem a little overextended, especially on the 4 hour. We're incredibly overextended. We do have news today as well. Yeah, I mean, we're incredibly overextended. Um, we've got unfilled fair up 4 hour below. Unfilled 4 hour below in discount. So we also have this SMT. On this range, we're not too extended. Do have this order block, no unfilled 4 hours. Delivering off of a 4 hour, delivering off of a 1 minute. Just see what happens at market open. Might want to come down for this low inside of this 15 minute. If we're bearish, we did get a sweep of this 15 minute high. See what price does off open. Five-minute going lower. 5 minute inversion off rip. Pushing down. Got a lot of unfilled 15s. We just tapped into an unfilled 15. Like to see a 5 minute retracement. Alright, we displaced. We're down inside this 15 minute fair value gap, so this will either get respected, push us bullish, or we'll continue to move lower. We disrespect the 15. So now I'm looking for a move up into a 5. Get the move up. Alright, get the move up into this 5. So I could be bearish now. All that we have is this 15 minute low down here. Man, we immediately displace through this. Respect that 5. We continue pushing up. Disrespect all of this. Come out. Take out this high. Now we look like we want to go bullish. I need a retracement. I just feel like we don't get any retracements lately. I mean, we're in May, but March, April, May, it felt like we just displaced immediately and got no retracement. So, I mean, I could have seen that this 5 minute got retraced into. Just didn't open anything up. Still not retracing into anything. Now we get a 5 minute retracement. Do get a retracement into this 15 and into this 5. Back down into this 5. And it's already 10:15. I mean, we just didn't take out anything. We left these highs, completely disregarded them. I'm struggling to trade this price action. I feel like whatever I'm getting now, I don't have a problem trading. It's just this price action, I don't know. I can't trade it too well. So 4 hour, not reacting off of anything. Unfilled 4 hour below. Still left these highs. Unfilled hourly as well. I'd like to see us come down into this unfilled hourly. And then look for longs. Get inversion of all these 5 minutes. Get a sweep of this high. Retracement to this 5 minute. Down all the way to the lowest time frame, 5 minutes. We get a 2 minute inversion that opens up. We do have a bearish SMT. Highest time frame inversions to 5. Do get an inverse off that 5 minute. I feel like we left 1 minute equal lows. Just go for a 1-to-1. Left equal highs above. Go break even whenever we take out those highs. Just need to think. Why would this trade setup be invalidated? We've got these highs up here. I don't feel like there would be any reason for us to push lower. It's only 9:30. Now we wanted to come into this unfilled hourly gap. I don't know if I can blame it on the price action. Not this trade specifically, but just everything the last couple days. I'm just, we've just been trading up, but the problem is we're just stuck inside of these big moves. I just want to see if we come up for this high. Left relative equal highs. Price is definitely going to want to come up to these. We do have this unfilled 4-hour below. Failed to sweep out that low. Do have equal lows below as well. One hour for value gap. We did tap into this 1 hour, so we are delivering from it. We're not delivering from it. We failed to tap into the 1 hour, so we left that 1 hour down low. PCI. We don't just tap into the 1 hour. We distribute all the way down here. Price comes and taps into this 4 hour for value gap. Get a tap into this 5. Respecting this 4 minute. Left relative equal highs. You get a tap back into this 5 minute. This would have been a good setup. We're getting a tap back into this 5 minute. We get a 1 minute inversion. Alright, and then we get an inverse. So now we can begin to look for longs. We're still reacting inside of this 5 minute, 15 minute. Five-minute pullback. I did like this. We get a pullback back into this hourly that we're still respecting even after inversing, right? But we get a pullback into it. We're still very bullish. We inverse this 5 minute right here. Drop down. What's our highest time frame inversion? We get a 3 minute that we opened up. I took the 2 minute. Thinking back, it played out, but I probably should have waited for this 3 minute. Just do a couple more. Still reacting off of this 4 minute. We're very bearish. I'm bullish. Still want to come for this high. We already swept out this high on NQ. Next draw on liquidity is up here. Reacting off of this 4 hour. We are incredibly overextended. So data lows down low. I could see us being bearish. Yes, does look like it wants to take out this high. So what I'm thinking is maybe we see a Judah swing up to these highs and we're able to carry that down for low to it's CPI. I completely missed that. Well, ES takes out these lows. Not able to take out this. I'm probably just going to continue bullish. Tap into a 5-minute. Open up a 4-minute. Barely get the inverse. That's not enough. We actually barely got the inverse. That's just not enough for me. I do like this. Especially with us tapping into the 5-minute on both indexes. We did inverse that 5-minute though. You get a nice 2-minute inversion. And this is what price does after CPI. Just not high probability setups. Lower into this 5-minute. Rebalance ourselves. Inverse of that 5-minute. See if we get a pullback. We do. Still opening up nothing. Change their delivery. And we run up for all the highs. Finally, we're out of this range. And we created all-time highs. Right, so on both indexes, we get a sweep of all-time highs. We're severely overextended. Severely overextended. Unfilled 4 hour right here. Unfilled 4 hour right here. Hourly. playing around inside this 1 hour. Lots of chop. We open up, come up here, immediately drop back down. What do? We get a sweep of all this liquidity. Same thing, sweep of all this liquidity. What do we get after that? A great 1 minute inversion. Need to see this 5 minute close bearish. Here we go. See us get a pullback. We don't get one. Tap into this unfilled 4 hour. More unfilled 4 hour below. Could have taken this 5 minute inversion. Just absolutely zero. Alright, pull back. Still delivering off this 4 hour. We left this low. I think that we're going to want to come back to it. Still get nothing. I like this distribution. Get a slight pullback into this 1 minute. Get an inverse of the 4 minute. I'm just not seeing anything high probability. Inverse this. Alright, we get a pullback. One minute inversion. Took out those highs. Could have held. And that was pretty late in the day as well. We're rebalancing ourselves, reacting off this 4 hour. 4 hour right here. 4 hour as well. We look bullish. Took out these lows. Got a sweep of liquidity. Do have an unfilled 15 all the way down here that we might want to come to. Same thing over here. Unfilled 15. So I could see us taking shorts. But we do look bullish, so we just kind of want to see what price gives us when we open up. If we end versus 5 minute, I'll be convinced that we're going lower. We have triple, or we have these lows. Same thing. In versus 5 minute, I'll be convinced that we're going lower. What it looks like is that we're getting a pullback up. Actually, we do have these highs, but wouldn't be like dead set on us hitting these. We might want to come for them though. What do we get over here? Equal highs. Triple top equal highs. 1 minute V-shaped inversion. Are we delivering from anywhere though? Delivering from a 30 minutes. It is a good inversion. We're not delivering. I mean, we're delivering from a 30 minute. We got a sweep of these intermediate highs. I just don't see what we'd want to come back down into. We don't have a 5. Reacting off of a 4 minute still. Another heavy inversion. I just don't see why we'd leave behind those equal lows. Or I mean that high. Now we left behind equal highs. There's just nothing for us to tap into. There we go. Now we tap back into this unfilled 5. Or no, it is filled, but tap back into it. Displace through it. There's no way I'm not trading. I mean, we just get displacement at 9:30 every day. Yeah, this is textbook. Hard stop loss at these highs. Go break even whenever price taps into this 15-minute. That is just so unfortunate. Either way, I would have been break even. Not sure why I find backtesting so difficult compared to real-time trading. It's maybe because I'm trying to be too discretionary. I'm really not too sure what it is. Cause during real-time trading, I can pretty much clearly figure out where price wants to go for the day, and I can catch my move towards it. But when I'm backtesting, I don't have a clue where price wants to go. I do not have a clue. We did get a V-shaped inversion. Right it open. Let's do one more. Let's just try this a little bit differently. Let me just see what's going on. Not try to figure out every single move. Hopefully we don't freeze. Come on, FX replay. Let's just take this a little bit differently. Let's take it a little slower. Unfilled 4 hour below. We've created all-time highs. Disrespecting this. Unfilled 4 hour below. All-time highs up here. All-time highs up here. I'm just trying to get my higher time frame narrative. Okay, so we're reacting off of a 4 hour. Unfilled 4 hour below. This is where I think price will most likely want to draw to. We do have, it's not unfilled, NQ. What do we have though? We have an hourly unfilled. Delivering from a 15-minute. I don't know what's going on. It's some Chinese servers trying to hack my computer. Delivering from a 15-minute. They don't want me to become profitable. Swept out these highs. Okay, what did we leave behind? Equal highs. Either I want to see this equal highs come get touched before we get our move lower, or also equal highs down here. So one of these equal highs is going to get hit. Or equal highs for lows, sorry. On the 5-minute, we just got an inversion. We're about to open up a 5-minute fair value gap. Let's just see us tap it back into it. Let's see us tap back into one. Don't. Draw on liquidity was correct. Inverse of this 5 minute. I mean, you could have taken that. It's just like I'm more so waiting for. So now we're not done. Now we can look for our opportunity for longs. We've tapped into this 1 hour. We've swept out these equal lows. Now we can see a move up. We have buy side up here. We get a V-shaped inversion. See a slight pullback. We do get a slight pullback into this 1 minute. Okay, we pulled back. Now we're trading inside this 2 minute, which I like. Okay, we swept out these lows. We got a 5 minute pullback. Highest time frames are 2 minute. Still trading inside of it. We get a reaction lower. Still reacting off that 2 minute. Five-minute comes down. Take out these lows. Yes, may still want to trend down. Unfilled 15-minute right here, as well as a BPR. Okay, that I didn't notice. Could keep displacing lower, or we get a pullback. Okay, we get a pullback into this 15-minute. Now, out of this 15-minute, I'd like to see price create more structure. Does not. We just come sweep out these highs. See, this is the type, and it's 9:30. It's 9:30 volatility. Like, this is making me think that I'm trading pre-market. It really is. I'm going to next New York session, so I don't know. Okay, something's got to change because it's saying that New York AM's at 10:30 a.m. So already, this just is not correct at all. And if it's saying that, then I really think that I'm trading pre-market. Hold on. 10:30 a.m.? Something is just something's not right. I'm getting all the I'm getting all these distribution moves at pre-market. I mean, at 9:30. I'm on New York. New York Open is 9:30. Hold on. I need to. Have I been trading pre-market this whole time? New York session is 9:30 a.m. Yeah, core trading session starts at 9:30. I'm pretty sure I've been getting put in. I have. I've been trading pre-market. Okay, now I'm beginning to understand. Now it puts me in. This is ridiculous. 4 p.m. 4 p.m. is not New York Open. Why am I getting put in at 4 p.m.? I'm on regular trading hours. That's why. Okay. All right. Well, it's getting late. I've been trading pre-market this entire time. That's incredibly unfortunate. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this, start up a new session. I can't believe that. get rid of all this again. I completely forget what these were. Shoot, what were these again? Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end this. Tomorrow really marks day one because we've been trading pre-market this whole time. Um, so tomorrow will be really day one, starting on actual trading session hours, and we've started up a new session, so we'll get to test our win rate and our profitability there. Yeah, as far as everything else goes, I'll be back tomorrow. Market's closed this weekend, so gonna try to relax, um, do some back testing, just watch some more videos. Got some ICT lectures to catch up on, and just try to reset and go into the next weekend strong. So I'll be back tomorrow for another back testing session.